What's up, guys? Today I finally got my transmission mount, and we're going to install in the car and finally get the measurements that I need to get the drive shaft made. Yeah, so this is the mount. Let me show you how it is. So this is what it comes with. Nothing. We're going to install in the car like this. So like that. So the arch to the top, and this is what we had before. So I tried to use this here and just relocate back and forth, but as you see, it's a little more than that, right? Because it's not just relocating, it's also about the height. This height here doesn't match. Yeah, so it's not the same on both sides. It's totally different, so this is not gonna work. What we're gonna do is, if you have one of these new, you can reuse, otherwise just buy new ones. I replaced this and used like probably for what, 2 events or 3 events, and I'm gonna reuse it. It's pretty new, so I'm gonna get a wrench, take it out. So let's put from this one on the other one. So I'm not gonna tie it all the way. This little ball here, it goes in a specific position because it matches with the transmission space. So I think it goes like this, and so this side here will be this way, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna let this kind of loose, and then we're gonna go under the car and put this in there. Once we are done, then we're gonna tighten this up. All right, this is what we have. Of course, you see that it's not straight already, and I'm gonna use my other hand, and this goes right in here. So you see, one I nailed, and the other one, yep, it just worked out. So I'll need to lift this up a little more. As you see here, my shifter is not very happy. Ideally I would need to have a shorter one of this, but then everything gotta be short, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside the car, see if I can open this a little more, and see if I can push this up a tiny bit more. I might come with a jack. Remember to have always support so you don't drop this thing in your face. Alright, so it is a mix between using the jack and putting some bolts in place. Ooh. Nice. And now, so I have like 3 of those supports in place. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the jack. As you see, the jack is right there, all the way to here and here. I gotta get those 2 jacks out of the way. I have the transmission jack and I have this guy. I have 1 bolt on that side, 2 on this. This here I can tie it a little bit. I don't know how good you can see, but I can try to go further a little bit. And this is right here. I'm supporting the back of the transmission with this, and the front of the transmission with the other jack. So I gotta take that out. Oh gosh. And start working only with the jack. But at least now I'm on a safe place, so let's see how it goes. All right, one more look from the back, from the side. I mean, it's no different than if you had your engine mount, your transmission mount. Yeah. So now I guess what I need to figure it out is this shifter here. I'll definitely need to poke a larger hole because my drive shaft goes right in here and I need this space. So yeah, the only downside is I'm gonna lose this reinforced part here, but it is what it is. So yeah, boy. So since I'm down here, I'm gonna get these two nuts and I'm gonna put my slave cylinder, which is here. I'm gonna put in a hole of the transmission, which is up there. Align this guy and we are gonna put those two nuts. This is going straight out there. So, which is basically down here. Wow. Anyway, yeah, see that? You just gotta go all the way. So I'm gonna do that and come back. Yeah, now I think we are good. Today I also found out that this set of wheels are plus 21 offset, and you can see it's sticking out a little bit, which is good for me because it's not gonna rub inside. And also I have spacer, so that thing is like probably -5 offset right now. It's too much. I gotta take some out of there, but yeah, dope. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this works for you. I couldn't find anybody that tried this and they didn't want to spend money, of course, into a transmission mount if I didn't need to. If I could drill some holes on the bottom and all that stuff, but this wasn't yeah, it wasn't right. If you look here, this side is lower, this side is higher, and you know, just didn't work out. So don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your support. If you're watching to here, man, I can count on you. Leave a little comment down here. Tell me what you think, what you have, what you would do, and all that stuff. I love comments, man. And you know how it goes. I'll see you around. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.